Look what we have here. We got a good time, all wrapped in blue. 72 Chevelle convertible is very recently, body off frame restored. I don't think there's 15 miles on it. Has a 454 motor. Under the hood, bucket seats, console, automatic. Just a good looking car, sounds healthy. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on every car, along with a monthly finance payment that you can afford, up to 15 years. That top is down. Let's go for a spin. All right, it's got the SS domed hood on it. You've heard me mention before that this is a tricky area to get fit right. This fits on both sides. This hood lines up square and flush. This is all straight. I have no issues with this at all. It has the racing hood pins. Fender looks to be in excellent shape. Smooth all the way to the bottom. This thing is straight. Door can maybe be sucked in a hair. I mean, if I have to find something wrong with the car, that can go in just a little bit. But it is absolutely straight. No rust, no damage. He does excellent body work, I'll say that. The paint job, which we'll talk about in a minute, looks killer. I don't see any issues. No damage, no shrinkage, no cracking. All this is clean all the way to the bottom. Absolutely straight. Yeah, really, really nice. Now this blue looks like the Fathom blue. All the metal flake is laid out exactly the way it should. There's no blotchy areas. And the clear coat is polished beautifully. It's a good looking blue. The black stripes are painted on. Smooth to the touch. You wouldn't even know they're there by feeling. So the paint job is killer. I didn't see a flaw. Windshield is replaced. The trim around the windshield is very good. Up front here, this looks new. The bumper looks new. The headlight bezels, the grille, the racing pins, the SS emblem. This all looks like new. There's a few water spots that wipe right off, but it all looks like new up front here. Wheel well molding, the SS emblems, the mirrors look new. Door handles, the rubber seals, weather strips were all replaced. As a convertible top, it's a black power top. That was replaced. There's pictures on our website. Sitting on some 15-inch torque thrust wheels. They're polished. Cooper tires. This is all new stuff. It still has the nubs on the tread of the tires. That's how fresh we're talking. Emblem, sparkling, the bumper, the SS, all that looks like new. It has the SS cowbell tips. So yeah, it's looking really sharp on the outside. Let's see if he did just as good inside. All right, again, this paint is killer, really nice. Inside the trunk, they painted the bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb just as slick. New weather strip. Now inside here, you can see is really clean metal, especially for a convertible. It's not rusted, it's not patched up. Maybe it could be freshened up with one more coat of the spatter finish. The well liner is new. That's actually a really clean trunk compartment. Yeah, buy it now button next to every car on our website. If you see something you like, just get it locked in while you're thinking about it. Jambs are painted as slick as the car. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels, armrest, window cranks look new. This looks like it's all been replaced. It's the SS dash with the tachometer and gauges. 13 miles, that's since he finished it. Clock is working. It has a retro stereo, power top switch. And all this looks to be in really nice shape. New vents. Glove box is nice. The light works. Kick panels are nice. Carpet's replaced. I can tell you the seat I'm sitting on is rebuilt. The cushion's real nice. It has the SS console with the staple shifter. Upholstery is real nice. Yeah, firm. Real nice upholstery. New headrests. Back, the trim, all that looks like it's replaced. He said the rear seat is the seat that was in there. He said that was in good shape. He didn't replace it. The side panels look to be really good. Now this boot, actually, this bead slides into this track. So you just gotta slide it through there. It's something the photographer didn't do, but that would look much nicer. And then we got an SS steering wheel. It looks like new mirror. Right, good original visors. So overall, very good. Yeah, when I say it's body off frame restored, I mean it's not a $125,000 build, but it's a really nice build, and it's nowhere near $100,000. 454 motor has about 1,000 miles on it. Got a nice cam. It's got Holley intake with a dual feed Holley carburetor. HEI ignition in the back. Some nice Chevrolet valve covers. Coated headers down there. The metal is painted nicely. I think he said he put new wiring loom on the interior as well. So got a nice chrome cover, aluminum radiator, new shroud, new fan, new billet pulleys, polished aluminum water pump, chrome timing cover, chrome alternator, although some of the chrome is flaked off, chrome power steering pump, and then we've got a new brake booster, master cylinder. It all looks brand new. New wiper motor. Squirters are hooked up. Under the hood's painted beautifully. So nice looking motor compartment. All right, so underneath the car has been tended to. Front end components look to be in good shape. And our mechanics check each car. They test drive them, they put them on the lift, they inspect them. We fix what's needed. We're not a restoration company, but we do address what we feel needs to be addressed. With that said, the front end looks good. Shocks look like they've been replaced. In back, it's upgraded with tubular upper and lower control arms, has an added sway bar. Fuel tank is new, has a pipes dual exhaust. I believe it's all stainless, has the X pipe, sounds great. The disc brakes up front, it all looks new. The calipers, rotors, it all looks new. I'm looking up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It actually has an extra capacity chrome oil pan, has a chrome flywheel cover, has a turbo 400 automatic. The pan looks like it's extra capacity. It looks deeper than normal. In back, it's a 331 gear, so just a nice cruising gear in the rear end. Overall, real solid. So yeah, again, really nice car. Not perfect, but very nice, good looking, sounds amazing. The driver's seat is tipped back farther than it should be. So if you're the lucky next owner of this car, remind the salesman, see if they can tip that forward a little bit. Speaking of salesmen, you'll talk to them if you go to volocars.com. That's how you contact them. They'll answer your questions like how to get it delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Take advantage of the 15-year terms we have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.